Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring both devices are ready. Update iPhone and Apple Watch, and make sure iCloud Photos is enabled under Settings. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Photos. You'll see Synced Album as the first actionable option. Tap it now to choose which album to send to your watch. Do this immediately so the watch can begin transferring images when connected to Wi-Fi and charging, which the watch needs for the initial sync. Next, choose the exact album you want on the watch. If needed, create a custom album in Photos on your iPhone and add images there. Then in the Watch app, set the photo limit. This controls watch storage and prevents overflow. Make sure the iPhone is on Wi-Fi and the Apple Watch is charging and near the phone. Syncing typically runs only while charging and connected. While files copy, leave both devices undisturbed so the transfer completes without interruption. Finally, confirm the sync by opening Photos on your Apple Watch. Your chosen album should appear and thumbnails should be accessible. If you want different pictures later, modify the iPhone album and return to Synced Album to toggle or reselect it. The watch will update during the next charging window. If syncing fails, restart both devices, ensure iCloud Photos is active, verify available storage on the watch, and reconnect Wi-Fi. Doing those steps usually resolves stuck transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.